Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Safar from University Tun Hussein on Malaysia. This is my project. My project is a smart solar system configuration that developed to simplify the process of designing a grid-connected solar photovoltaic system. This calculator helps users determine suitable solar panel quantity, inverter sizing, and estimated system configuration based on available area and user requirements, whether for domestic application or even solar farm development. One of the major problems in solar system planning is that sizing process is usually done manually and requires strong technical knowledge. Users need to calculate panel quantity, inverter capacity, and available installation area separately, which can lead to errors, unsuitable configuration, and longer planning time, especially for beginners. The objective of this project are to automate the solar PV sizing process, recommend the suitable number of solar panels based on available space, determine the appropriate inverter size, and finally generate an estimated configuration system efficiently and accurately. What makes this project is unique is the calculator integrates multiple important design parameters into a single platform. The system automatically calculates the suitable number of panels based on area and panel size, then recommends an appropriate inverter configuration for a grid-connected system. It is designed to be simple, fast, and user-friendly while still supporting both residential and large-scale solar applications. This project provides benefits not only to engineers but also to students, homeowners, and companies interested in solar energy. It can reduce calculation errors, save design time, and help non-expert users better understand solar system planning. Indirectly, this also supports renewable energy adoption and contributes towards sustainable and green energy development. This project also has strong commercialization potential. The calculator can be expanded into a web or mobile application for solar companies, consultants, and educational purposes. Future improvement may include integration with real-time component pricing, AI-based optimization, and automatic energy consumption analysis. So this is a panel datasheet and this is an inverter datasheet. So at the first step, we need to find every parameter that we can see in the solar panel datasheet and put here to find the every factor for the solar panel. And then here we can see we can tick the box if we have the parameter value, but if we don't have the parameter value, we can just untick this and the system will automatically assume it as a new and the value will equal to 1. And then for the next step, we will decide what is the best orientation that can be installed for our area. So we just put the width and the length of the area and then the panel spacing, which is the gap between every panel. So it will recommend what is the best orientation. So in this case, the landscape orientation is recommended because it has the higher number of panel that can be installed rather than the portrait. And then for the second tab, we can see we has a two case here, which is for the first case we want to find the best inverter that's suitable for the system, but we choose the case 2 because we want to find the how many number of panel and how many power that can be generated for this one inverter. So here we put every parameter, but this time we find the parameter based on the inverter datasheet, and then we find the maximum PV module, we find the minimum PV module, and it will summarize for us what is the range and the best from the minimum to the maximum panel that can be installed. And then we need to find the optimum PV module that can be installed, and after that we want to find the maximum number for every MPPT, which is based on the datasheet we has a 9 MPPT. So how much string per MPPT that can has, and then from that we can see what is the best number of panel that can be installed per MPPT. In this case, if the number of panel is already outside the range, it will automatically choose the recommendation optimum PV module because it was the best number that can be installed. And after that, for the final configuration, it will come out how many number of panel that can be installed per MPPT, and then the configuration, and then the best ratio is below 1.11, and the total modules per inverter is 243 because we has a 9 MPPT. And then the last one, we put the orientation here because we want to build a farm, so we need about 7,544 based on the previous calculation. So we need about 32 inverter for our system, and it is very suitable for our system. That's all from me. This is my project. Thank you.